What is up, Travis Brady? If you're listening to this video right now, you've either clicked on my ad, you got introduced to the Brotherhood somehow, or maybe we met personally. And first of all, I just want to say I'm really grateful that you're watching this video right now. I really am. Because more so than ever before, we as men, we need each other. We need someone to push us, to motivate us, to help keep us grounded. And also when we go through shit, okay? Because shit happens a lot in business and in life, relationships, you know, losing someone, and maybe even at times you're losing yourself. And so I can go into all the little nitty gritties about the Brotherhood and the price and blah, blah, blah. But mostly I just wanted to talk about what I believe in, my values, and what I see going on. And if we share some of those values, then it'd be a great fit. And if we don't, that's okay. We can have different values and we can still be around each other. And it might just not be the right community for you. But what I believe is, I believe in the power of brotherhood. I don't know about you, but I had a brother growing up, and he was an incredible brother. He always had your back. He always said the best things about you behind your back. And that's one of the bylaws of the Brotherhood, saying the best things about each other behind their back. Okay, if there's an issue, we talk to them face to face. And there's a lot of growth that can happen through that standpoint. There have been times in my life where I have been brought to my knees multiple times for a lot of reasons. And I really feel like having a relationship with God helped me through some of those dark times. And I don't use God to use his name in vain. I use him as a north compass for me. And all I'm merely doing is sharing my experience with God. And I think we should all have a relationship with a higher power and have those types of conversations. But in the Brotherhood, we believe in God, and I believe God believes in us. Okay, and we are needed. And in this world is crazy. Would you agree? This world is crazy. There's men cutting their penises off. Okay, we lived in a confused time where men are weak, men are questioning themselves, men are lost, okay? And we could have all been there, but in this group, we are wanting to be better men, better fathers. I am a father. I'm a father to a son and a stepson. And I feel like at the end of the day, that is one of my most important missions in life, is to be a good father for him, the same way that my dad was for me. But you might have not had a dad, or you might not be a dad, and that's okay. I would say the biggest thing that all connect us within this group is we have an incredible passion and purpose about what we do in this world. And usually it's part of our business, or we're striving to get more in business. Okay, and that's what the Brotherhood is about. It's about all those things coming together, shooting guns, going out to the lake, wake surfing, golfing, you name it. The Brotherhood is just that. Like, it's family. And the main guys of the group is really who inspire me and give me more faith in what this Brotherhood is. Don Bradley, recently, like one of my best friends, he's the co-creator. He is what inspired like so much of the back end, the foundation of this Brotherhood, okay? He is what being a brother is all about. Sam Knickerbocker started off as a client, scared in the world to put himself out there. Now has $250,000 business, impacting lives, has the time freedom to do what he loves, has an incredible family. Justin Banks is a stud. I love him. I didn't know how I felt about him at first, after I told him this, but he is a franchise consultant, does credit card processing as well. He will show you how to 10x your influence doing nothing. All these guys will. They're all about helping you out, grow as a business owner, grow as a person. But also, I would say the biggest thing is brotherhood. And that's again, coming back to the core of the group. Josh, I forgot to talk to you guys about Josh. Josh 5 Flash Media. Call him Picture Poppy. He's so funny. Anyways, I'm sure I'm missing some people out, but I just can't think of a better group of guys you would want to be around. And so finishing with this, I am looking for people to pour into. We have so much to pour into you. And I don't need you to pour back into me. I got my lady, I got my sons, I got God, I got all other friends. What I am looking for is to pouring into somebody that's going to pour into others, okay? Pour into their clients, pour into their community. And we're building, everyone in the group is committed to building a community. That's what I will say. Not just trying to come in and mine people out of a networking group, okay? I've been there, I've done that. It doesn't work, okay? And at the end of the day, you're left in the same spot you are, which is you don't have consistency. Okay, consistent leads, consistent money, or maybe you're stuck growth-wise. You keep hitting the same numbers over and over. Okay, regardless of where you're at, if your focus is 7, 8 figures, that's what the Brotherhood is about. If you're questioning $100,000 or if you haven't started, okay, the Brotherhood's just not for you. And I say that out of all respect and love for those that are in the Brotherhood. Okay, we have other events that you can come to get to the point where you can launch. All right, but we're really looking for people that are wanting to do massive things, okay, out in the world. Been doing events for 9 years. And back in 2023, I started putting together these Brotherhood events, and okay, that's where we are. So it's pretty fun. If we haven't talked, in the link below, let's schedule a Zoom. We also have another mastermind coming up. Okay, you could go ahead and schedule that. And lastly, I want to say this. Even if this Brotherhood and the B3 community isn't something that's a good fit for you, I really, truly hope that you find a community, you find a Brotherhood. But mostly, you know, the biggest thing I really hope for you is that you build people around you, you build a network, and that's what we're trying to do. So I'd love to support you any way I can. Okay, let's talk. Come to the next event. Reach out to me on Instagram, Travis Brady Brands, and I'll send you a link to get into our community. It's an open community. Okay, I do like to at least filter who's going in there. It is free, so send me a message, Travis Brady Brands, and we'll talk soon. Good talk. So every single month we have a mastermind at the house. We have food, we have tacos, we have great people, and I want you to come because I have a lot of really awesome guys that you absolutely need to meet. I want to get you tapped in. Okay, drop me a message and let's talk.